Hey, so today I'm going cruising, and not just any old cruise, not just any old P&O cruise. I'm going on the Queen Elizabeth, going down to Melbourne, 2 nights, 3 days. Actually, it's only 40 hours, but I'm sure it'll be fun. Look at this, look at this. So nice. Okay, so it's around midday and my ship leaves at 5 maybe, but I have to be there at 3. So I'm just, actually got a poo bag around my neck because I'm just going to have to drop my dog off to a friend's first, because apparently they don't allow dogs on cruise ships. Alright, so this is what I plan to do in this vlog. My goal is to have a wander around the ship and let you know what the Queen Elizabeth is all about. And the second goal is just to inform you what it's like to be a solo cruiser. Lord, it's a sign. There she is, Her Majesty in all her regal glory. Well, here I am. Oh, I got here really early. It's 2:30. I kind of arrived like 1 hour early, and I just walked straight on. Like they didn't even say anything, so that was good. And I've just got into the room, which is absolutely freezing, so I'm going to put the aircon up to high. Yeah, high. Oh, that's good. Oh, let's have a look around here. Cupboards. Oh, slippers. I'll get those for Vincent. Love slippers. What else? Have a look at the toilet. It's very small, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Bath and shower gel. Very nice. Very small bathroom. Couldn't swing a cat in here. Very smart, isn't it? Very nice, very nice. Let's have a look out the window. Well, I haven't cleaned these windows. So, I think what I'll do is unpack. I've got my Atlantis, the way we play bag, and I came with a backpack, and that's all I came with. So I just walk straight on, and I can walk straight off. So I think I'll just unpack, and then maybe I will head upstairs and have a glass of champagne. Now, one thing I have to let you know about is the sockets are not Australian. So luckily I brought an adapter. I think it's English. Yeah, that's English, isn't it? UK. There we go. Well, I forgot to have to go to the muster station, so I'm just on my way there now. I've been wandering around in circles trying to find it. Alright, I'm all checked in, and now I'm heading up for a champagne. Getting distracted, so I just made a booking at Mariel, which is like the thermal spa, for tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So I've made that booking. That's good. I just need to make my dinner reservation as well, but apparently I can't do that until it opens at 6 o'clock, because I really wanted to go to the speciality restaurant, and I couldn't do it online, which is very annoying because there's something wrong with the app. So I guess I'll head there at 6 o'clock and try and get in for tomorrow night. But now I really need a glass of champagne, and I'm lost. Sure, I should be heading up, maybe. Oh, well, that took me forever. Trying to find the upper deck, but finally I'm here, and here is the Queen Elizabeth. Hey. Gorgeous. Right, now where's the bar? Well, I still haven't got the glass of champagne because it's too bright outside, so I thought I'd go back and get some sunglasses, but I forgot my room number. Haven't got a clue. I thought it was 4042, but it's not, so I'm gonna have to find someone to help me out. Hurly durly. Alright, it's nearly 4 o'clock and worked out my room number. It's 4142. That's an easy one to remember. Funny how I can't remember it. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Alright, so now what was I going to do? I think I will... Oh, yes, sunglasses. I'm going to get my sunglasses and then I will take the daily program and go and get a glass of champagne. So there's an area you're not allowed to go unless you're a grills guest. So access to this deck is for grills guests only. So I reckon we should go and check it out. Very smart. Let's have a look up here, shall we? Literally no one here on the posh deck. Ooh, but they look comfy, don't they? Definitely be coming up here for my sunbathing time.
Warm clothing.
Very nice.
Head covering. Your voyage card.
Cheers! I finally got my champagne. Oh, and it's real champagne. Let me just show you. Laurent Perrier, only the best. $18 a bottle, very cheap, love it. Ooh, and look at the view. I'm just reading the blurb they give you, and it says, oh, what to wear. So, please note, non-refugees are... please refrain from wearing shorts, which I'm wearing, sports attire, swimwear and sleeveless t-shirts outside of the gym, spa and deck spaces. Oh, I'm on the deck. But if you have a look at these people on board, I'm the smartest one here. No one's really dressed up. I think I'm really smart casual in my environment.
For exercise. The general emergency alarm is about to be sounded for guest familiarization purposes only.
So drink number 2 is a glass of San Miguel, which you can only get in either a pint or a half pint. They don't have schooners. But you know what I've been thinking? You pay in dollars, but is it Australian dollars or is it US dollars? Because this was like $4.37 or something like that, which is okay on a cruise. But then I'm thinking, if it's US dollars, then this is going to be an expensive cruise. Brown house. Oh, yum. I absolutely love an insipid beer, and this San Miguel is gorgeously insipid. The dirty buggers. The official currency on board is the US dollar. Okay. Gonna be expensive. Okay, I guess that should make it my mission not to have the same drink twice on this cruise. So I've gone for a Caipirinha. $11.27. Probably work out to be like $25. Oh, that's strong. Okay, this is my dining reservation, and it's an open reservation from 5:45 to 9 o'clock. So I think the latest you can get there is 8:45. So maybe I'll get there at 8:45 because the show's on at 10. Well, the show's on at 8 and 10, but the sail away's at 6:30. Oh my god. So I need a PA to organise all this. It's so confusing. Oh, I can't for the life of me remember my room number, 4142. Anyway, I made the reservation for tomorrow. Couldn't get today, couldn't get tomorrow night, so I had to get tomorrow lunch. So I got 12 o'clock tomorrow lunch in the steakhouse restaurant, what's it called? Can't remember, but it's like a premium dining. It's meant to be really good. US prices. So looking forward to that. But 12 o'clock, that's an early lunch, isn't it? Anyway, alright, what should I do now? Maybe I should have a shower and just a minute, what's the time? It's nearly, what's the time? Oh, it's 6:13. 6:13. Right, so the sail away is 6:30. Maybe I will go for a drink and watch the sail away. That's a good idea. Alright, let's do that.
And for those of you continuing your voyage with us, I do hope that you've had a most enjoyable day ashore here in this beautiful city of Sydney. Well, I'm pleased to advise that everyone is now on board. Our departure checks have been completed and we are ready to depart. The manoeuvre this evening, once we've slipped our lines, we'll thrust off the berth before moving the stern, and as we're there off the harbour bridge, we will swing bow to port, stern to starboard, and then start moving ahead past the Opera House. Clear skies and a high temperature of just 19 Celsius to 66 Fahrenheit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all that remains is for me to wish you an excellent evening on board Queen Elizabeth. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Okay, so this time I've got the Queen's something. Queen something? What was it? Queen's, can't remember. It's like a prosecco with some type of shrub. What was it? Grapefruit shrub and bitters and something else. It's alright. $12.43. Gorgeous. I think it's time to thrust off, as the captain would say. So I feel like this is just going to be a vlog about me drinking various drinks, but I have prepped my liver in anticipation of this cruise. I haven't had a drink all week, It is Tuesday and I'm ready to go. Got a helicopter. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. It's not even 8 p.m. and they've turned down my bed and left me chocolates. Gorgeous. Oh, very nice, very nice. Alright, so I think what I need to do is have a shower and go out. One thing I have to show you is breakfast in bed. I've heard from so many people this is amazing, so I definitely have to book it. So much to choose from. I'll let you know how I go. I don't think I'm going to make it to pre-dinner drinks in time because I've been faffing about trying to choose what to have for breakfast tomorrow. I think I just ticked everything really. They might get a shock because I said there's only one guest here, but it all looked so good. Anyway, I thought I'd have a glass of that horrible sparkling wine that's in the fridge. So let's crack it open. Sea View Brut. Gorgeous. Okay, let us open this bad boy. Bad boy. Oh, you know what? There isn't an iron in this room, which is a bit annoying because I didn't iron my formal shirt before I came here. So I'm going to have to pop along and iron my shirt before I go to dinner, because for dinner you have to wear trousers and a shirt. So ooh, I need to iron that. So I'm going to quickly have a little drink and then iron my shirt and then go for dinner. Cheers. Just doing my ironing. This is a great little room. I love it. free detergent. I love it. This is a great little late night spot for a deli. It's rubbing up against the dryers. Nice. I absolutely loved that little laundry room. I could spend many an hour in there, whiling away, ironing things, but I've decided not to go for the shirt that I ironed because I think I'm just going to go smart casual. So smart casual with trousers. Smart casual with trousers, yes. That should do. And then tomorrow I'll go formal. Yeah. Just been to dinner, which was amazing. Loved it. Had 2 entrees, 1 main, and a bottle of wine. The bottle of wine was so good. It was from Kent, south of England, and it was delicious. Where am I? Okay. 4104. Okay. So I didn't get through the whole bottle, so they're going to save it for tomorrow, which I thought was very nice. But yeah, it was really good. The food was very tasty, but it was like displayed like it was from the 80s. It was a bit tacky, but it was just so flavorful. Yeah, it was good. I liked it. Gorgeous. Alright, what am I up to now? 41:36. Okay. So I went to see a show as well, the 10 o'clock show, which was surprisingly good compared to the last cruise I was on, P&O, which I complained about the show. It was like being at a Rocker Stedford performance, but this one was really good. I liked it. Yeah, it was lots of fun. I think next time, tomorrow, I will sit at the front because I got there a bit late because I didn't finish my dinner till after 10 o'clock, and I just like slipped in at the back. But then I was looking at the front and all the seats at the front were free, and I thought, people pay top dollar for those front seats, but people don't go for them on a cruise, which is a bit weird. So tomorrow I'm just going to go down the front, sit in the front row and enjoy whatever the show is tomorrow. I liked it. Right, so now what should I do? What's the time? 10:54. So now I think I might go to, maybe there's a trivia. No, maybe not. Maybe I'll go to the Lion pub, the Red Lion. Yeah, give it a go. I'm just going to put this outside my door, and then in the morning the ferries will leave me breakfast. Well, my food's arrived, and I think I might have over-ordered. That's a lot of food. Wow. That's a bit embarrassing, isn't it? This looks very nice indeed, doesn't it? Yummy. Now, I've got all this to eat when I've finished. It's a lot of food. Oh, and there's more. Oh dear. This is going to take me a while, I think. Doing well. Not much left to go. 4 more. Okay. Well, I think I did really well. I managed to finish all of it. Yeah. Well, most of it anyway. Alright. I feel so fat now. Right, what am I going to do? Oh, I've got the spa. That was meant to be at 8 o'clock. It's now 8:30. So I think I'll go and do that. And I was just checking the app. There's like an app you can go to check your account. And I've actually got 2 dinner reservations this evening. One's at 6 o'clock and one's at 8:30 in the specialty restaurant. So I don't know how that happened. Must have been a muck-up when I was trying to book it previously, and it actually worked. So I guess I should... Oh no, I've got the midday as well. Spent most of my time just wandering around, trying to get from place to place, which I guess is pretty good for my fitness. Closed all my rings already. Takes me 3 minutes to get to the pub. Oh, look at this food. It's just like being with the Weatherspoons. Oh, well, I had such a nice tea. The tea I originally wanted to go to was all booked out. So then we had to go to this dining room to have their spillover tea, and then I got sat next to this lovely lady called Anna, who was not by herself, but her daughter was in the room, so she did come out by herself, and I had such a nice chat with her. Really nice to meet someone. Yeah, it was lovely. One thing I should tell you about the afternoon tea is I got there half an hour early. Got there at 2:30 and it wasn't meant to open till 3 o'clock, but it was fully booked, and I missed out, and that's why I went to the spillover. Alright, where am I off to now? What am I doing? Oh, I really wanted to go to this English gin bar to have the Queen's gin and tonic, so I just head there. This is my smart casual look, and check out my shoes. Aren't they gorgeous? Made by Dominique St. Paul in Saigon. Alright, you know, I am not hungry at all. I'm having flashbacks from breakfast, but I suppose you have to go through the motions, really. Two people dancing together, two people who are in love dancing together. So nice. Brought a tear to my eyes twice tonight, just to see the connection between two people. So nice. Here we are. Welcome to Melbourne, as the English would say. Alright, we've arrived in rainy Melbourne. Wow. Yay, sun. Oh. What a great trip. Really enjoyed that. Oh, you know that dinner reservation last night? So I rocked up at 6 o'clock and he had my reservation, and I said, I think I've got two reservations. I think I've got an 8:30 as well. And he said, no, you don't have the 8:30, and you couldn't book the 8:30 because you can only book one reservation at a time. And he said the money would have come out of your account, would have been prepaid. But it wasn't. I hadn't paid for that. So that's a bit weird. Anyway, and the way that restaurant was run was not efficient. They didn't have two seatings. It was like an open seating where you could choose which seating time you wanted, and once you get that seating time, they close it off. And people were rocking up all night long, pleading for a table, and he says, I physically don't have a table. But he did. He could have resold my table at 8 o'clock because I was there for 2 hours. Yeah, it didn't make sense to me. So many waiters. I got served by 6 different waiters. Didn't even know who mine was. So, less staff, more tables. Oh, look at this. It's the front of the ship. Or is it the back? Who'd have thought? Very nice. Having a walk. Always walking. Ooh, bloody freezing. Very nice. Anyway, that's me done on this cruise. I don't think I'll have breakfast. I had double yesterday. I really don't need anything today. So I'll get off, explore Melbourne, and then my flight is at 8:30 tonight on Rex business class. Thought I'd give it a go. So if you like this video, don't bother to like it or subscribe or any of that malarkey. I'm not into all that. If you liked it, you liked it, which was good, and I'm pleased. If you didn't like it, each to their own. Me again. Couldn't get rid of me that easily. Actually, I was just thinking, I didn't give you a review. Just been rambling on like a mad Englishman. So I guess I should give you a little review about the ship, about my experience. So, solo traveller, it was enjoyable. I think if I were to do it again, I'd probably go to some of the solo events specifically for solo travellers. Probably would go to the LGBTQ plus meetup. Yeah, there's lots of activities. In fact, there are too many activities to do all the things you want to do. I counted yesterday, there were 87 different things I could have done, and there was lots of things I wanted to do, but they were at a time when other things were on. So I really wanted to go to the bingo, couldn't do that because I was having afternoon tea. Yeah, so things like that were a bit annoying. The food was good. I wouldn't say the food was amazing. I'd say it's good for mass-produced food. Even the steakhouse food was good. Didn't blow me out the water. Service is very good. Everyone is trained amazingly well, and yeah, very polite, very friendly. Everyone says hello when they pass you. What else? I think I covered everything.